The age group for the lesson plan, I chose preschool. The central focus is developing students' early number sense by practicing one-to-one correspondence and verbal counting with tangible materials. Students will learn to count sets of items effectively, recognize number sequences, and begin to connect counting to quantity. The standard is 6.8.ECA, count with understanding and recognize how many in small sets up to 5. The objective, students will be able to count a set up to 5 counting pairs using one-to-one correspondence and verbal number sequence. The purpose/rationale of the purpose of this lesson is to build foundational number sense by helping students develop one-to-one correspondence and verbal counting skills up to 5. And these skills are essential for understanding quantity, comparing sets, and preparing for future concepts like addition and subtraction. This lesson supports the central focus of developing early counting skills through meaningful, developmentally appropriate experiences by using familiar materials like counting pairs and structured routines. Students can connect abstract number words to real quantities. In the textbook, its idea is that counting is more than reciting numbers. Children must learn that each number represents a specific quantity and that numbers follow a consistent order. Stable order principle, children need to understand that numbers are said in the same order every time. The theory and research. According to the textbook, early mathematical development begins with children's ability to understand and use a counting number sequence. This includes learning the stable order of numbers, one-to-one correspondence, and the concept of cardinality. The understanding that the last number said represents the total quantity in a set. Jean Piaget believed students need to experience concepts such as addition or capacity by interacting with things in their environment, and they develop logical and mathematical thought as they internalize these actions as thought processes. Prior learning and prerequisite skills. Students have experienced counting numbers. Students understand the concept of counting one by one. The grouping strategy is we start as a whole group for circle time for reading and singing a counting song. Then we'll go into small group activity. Key vocabulary: counting numbers, counting sequences, and count as you go. Accommodations, differentiation, plan supports. Utilizing